back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ, and behind me, as you can see, we've got Shedtune 81 covered up because we're going to do a reveal, and I must admit Don has done a very good job of it.
Don?
Yeah, Don.
Who do you think you are? Bloody Steve GP200 from YouTube. Fuck's sake.
Cheers, Steve. We've had loads of stuff coming in for the Wall of Fame, as you can see. Leicester Lambretta Club, etc, etc. We've had Catch 22, Vespa Club of Great Britain, Cut Down Club, and we've had a load of metal signs from Jimmy. So anyway, let's get on with the unveil. You're trying on your new t-shirt. It's extra small, isn't it?
Don't even go there.
That's better. At least you don't look like the only gay in the village anymore.
That's not a shame, because I am.
So before I start taking the cover off, I thought I'd just tell you a little bit about what Dom's been to. Hang on. What are you doing?
Sorting the shit out. Sorry, sorting out the signs that we might not want. So, it's nice and stuck together, Jimmy. Have you been over the 56? Oh, the Route Master. Vespa, that look really good. Bender Stratocaster, cool. Ford Farming, power that purrs when it gets tough.
That's got your name all over it, a tractor.
Oh, I should have been in advertising. Mustang, that's not too bad. Harlowman. Chevrolet. There's some good ones here, Jimmy. Some not so good ones as well. Do you know what? Anyone would think I've already sorted out all the shit ones. It's a way of life, you know.
Not for everyone, obviously.
No. Do you want it?
No, definitely not. It's not my cup of tea. No, I don't want that one either. I don't want a Dodge Charger. I definitely don't want a hot rod.
I bet you do.
Idiot.
Pray girl on the Vespa?
Always. What's that?
Mopar.
Oh yeah, keep that. Looks right.
Chevy trucks?
Nah, bin.
Yeah, but I like a Chevy truck.
I'd rather the one behind it.
Yep. Alright. Racing with the devil.
Well, we always do.
Last stop for the hot rod. Yep, very good. Indian. Genuine part.
Yeah.
Ford found on the road dead. Fucked over reinvented Dodge. Norton.
Rat. You like that?
Keep them. We've got some good ones.
And some not so good ones.
Not so good ones. Oh, the piece de resistance. Even resistance.
Transit Mark 1, eh?
Yeah. Every bank robber's dream.
Well, that's that sorted out.
Yep. Cheers, Jimmy.
Thanks, Jimmy. Right, let's get on with revealing Shedtune 81. Yeah, let's get on with revealing Shedtune 81 and its new colour scheme and give you a walk around, and then we'll take it out for a test ride and give it a thrash. Oh dear. Right, so without further ado, Dom, who's just stabbed himself on the corner of the workbench.
Fucking hell. I must be low if I hit my leg.
So there it is in all its glory, Shedtune 81 in its new colour scheme, and I think it looks amazing. Don't know what you guys think, but Dom's done a really good job on it.
Quick release rear runners.
Plenty of carbon fibre, look. Bridge there, scoop, headset, vape speedo / rev counter,
Yep.
temperature gauge, thumb choke, front ends BGMs with anti-dive disc, and then I'm guessing, oh, show me the trick seat. So Dom made a seat.
So
Why is it trick?
because it's a bolt down that I turned into a hinge one, and it's magnetic. So, and I've moved it forward. So
It fits better.
yeah, I think it's nicer and comfortable. Sluck bridge fixings, quick release, call them what you will. Darrell Taylor billet, brake pedal, that kind of works.
Looks good. Should we get the panels off and have a look, see what's going on underneath them? Right, so we've got the panels off, and Dom's going to tell us the spec.
Darrell Taylor tuned RB 232, TMX carb, ignition is BGM stator, Indian flywheel, and a Gusto 7000 retarder, Chalky's little magic box.
Exhaust
That is a pipe design.
for an RB.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pipe design RB.
Is that an R1 or an R6 shock?
That's an R6 shock with a cheeky chambers spring, a nice soft one for my fat ass.
So you got a long range tank, so I guess we better take it out for a test ride and see you thrashing it.
Yeah, that's the only way to do it.
that's going to be it for this one. Thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you like the content. Please feel free to drop some comments below. Give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.